Meow. Nice oval for the body, and then we'll find a spot for the head. Just kind of mapping things out here. Keeping my lines light because then it's a lot easier to correct. Not necessarily by erasing, but by allowing the extra lines to just kind of fade away into background tone. Muzzle a little off center because of the perspective. I'm going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. Got it sped up to 3 times. And this is my correcting stage. Just feeling my way around. I don't start darkening up lines until I'm really happy with the shape of things. And then even after that, you know, there's always some correcting. Those little cheeks, and I'm really making sure that my lines are unified, like they flow, the lines within the drawing flow into each other. It gives the drawing a lot of unity. Pop some spots for eyes in there. Didn't use my eraser very much in this drawing. It's handy when you need it though. I like the kind of mischievous look that I ended up with, that kind of glaring look like Kitty's up to trouble. See here, I'm putting the paw down a little bit lower, and it's a good thing my lines are light. Just go minimalist on the lines too. Less is more. Don't confuse the viewer's eye too much. Just the important things. And you know, that's an art in itself to learn what those are, and it's different for everyone. It's all about personal style. Now's the darker lines that are harder to erase, so I want to be more confident that I like them. And just some real gesture type tabby stripes. I just find it adds so much energy to the drawing. I really like this little pose. I just like to let my cats kind of become what they are, not worrying about it too much. They end up with their own little personality. I like this little kitten. What should Kitty's name be? I do love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat. I just love hearing from people, and let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.